Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Keeway Fact 125. Bike's done very low miles and in very good condition, so just try and get you as much detail around the bike as we can. Plenty of life left in the tyres there. Got nice little crash bars around the bike. Nice and tidy in here with a little USB port and a little section for your phone. No rips and tears in the seat. A couple of small little scratches on there, but nothing major. Sorry, I'm not allowed to touch that actually. Jump round here again. Everything looking good. That's just a little bit of water, the bike's just been cleaned. That there is a little kickstart, should you ever need it. Also comes with the centre stand, and you've got rear pegs there, should anybody be going on the back. Again, bodywork wise, it's in very good condition. What I'll do, I'll get the bike started up. As this is a 125, one of the features of them is it won't let you start it up with the side stand down. So I'll put it on the centre stand and get it started. There we go, bike is now in the centre stand, side stand away. Just get the bike turned on. You pull the brake in here. Yeah, I'll just let the bike warm up. As you can see, the mileage is only 326. Whilst the bike's warming up, I'll just confirm everything's working on it as it should. So we'll start with the indicators here. You can see you've got your standard running light and your full beam there as well. Horn works, and as it's a twist and go, I don't really want to rev it too much, but just so you can hear the exhaust. It's in good working order. There we go. There we have the Keeway Fact 125. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know.